QuickBooks Online makes it easy to work with your accountant because you can invite them into your company to review or make changes remotely or from any device that has access to the Internet. To send that invitation to your accountant, select My Accountant. Then enter your accountant's email address in the field provided. Once the invite is sent, they can then open the email and confirm that they are your accountant. From that point on, they will be able to log in to your company file. If you don't have an accountant yet, you can select Find a Pro to help. From this page, you can search accountants based upon your location, service provided, industry served, and also which version of QuickBooks you have. Each ProAdvisor lists their services, and you'll also find helpful reviews. You can click on any one of their profiles to find out more about them. Once you find an accountant, you can invite them to log into your QuickBooks company file at any time to help you out.